Hey there, are you looking for a smarter, safer way to keep an eye on everything around your vehicle while driving or parking? If the answer is yes, then you are in the right place, because today we are reviewing the WOLFBOX G900 TriPro bumper version, a 3-channel rear-view mirror dashcam that offers 4K front, 2.5K rear, and 1080p bumper camera coverage, including the world's first ever front bumper camera for true multi-terrain monitoring and obstacle awareness. But before we get started, I want to mention that this product was provided to us by WOLFBOX in exchange for a review, and while I appreciate their support to my channel, this will not affect my honest thoughts whatsoever, and my review will remain 100% genuine and unbiased as always. So stick around as we explore everything that this 3-channel smart dashcam by WOLFBOX has to offer. With no further ado, let's get right to it. So the unboxing, as you can see, is straightforward. You get all the necessary accessories from the front, the rear camera and the main unit, and necessary cables to make the installation smooth. And speaking of the installation, the process was simple and familiar, just like setting up any other dashcam. There is nothing overly complicated, and you will be up and running in no time with a clean, factory-like fit right on your rear view mirror. The G900 gives you a crystal clear 4K view from the front, a 2.5K from the rear, and an additional 1080p bumper camera that you can position flexibly based on your needs. So whether you are navigating rough terrain, pulling into tight parking spots, or just want extra visibility on the road ahead and to be cautious anywhere, this setup gives you complete real-time coverage from 3 different angles. The rear and bumper cameras are both IP65 rated, which means they are fully dust-proof and water-resistant, so rain, snow, and off-road dirt are no match for this system. WOLFBOX didn't cut corners with the sensors. The front camera uses the Sony IMX678 STARVIS 2 sensor, known for its exceptional image quality, which is exactly what we see in the video, while the rear camera is powered by the OS04J10 sensor with Pure Cell Plus. Together they deliver stunning clarity even in low light, backlight, or night driving conditions, which is perfect for capturing license plates and critical details anytime. All 3 channels support HDR, which helps balance lighting by reducing overexposure and underexposure. That means you get clear images whether you are driving in direct sunlight, through tunnels, or at dusk. Connecting to your phone is easy with built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, which offers transfer speeds up to 8 MB per second, 4 times faster than standard 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Using the companion app, you can view, download, and manage footage right from your phone without ever having to remove the SD card, which is really convenient in so many cases. And also you have got a touchscreen interface, voice controls, and automatic brightness adjustment, so you are always in control with minimal distractions. It even supports 24/7 parking monitoring, loop recording, and auto override to make sure important footage is always saved. Playback is easy too. You can quickly review any past recording in seconds right on the display or through the app. So whether you are off-roading, commuting, or just want the peace of mind that comes with full vehicle visibility, the WOLFBOX G900 TriPro delivers professional-grade features in a user-friendly package. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about this smart rearview mirror dashcam by WOLFBOX. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that it helped you decide whether it's the best fit for you and your vehicle. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech-related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. I will also leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to get yours and enjoy full 3-channel vision and safer driving. See you in the next video. Peace.